What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to another workout. Today we're going to be hitting full body HIIT, so high intensity interval training. I've got 4 or 5 exercises picked out for us. You're going to need a pair of dumbbells, a yoga mat, and your resistance band. So grab those things. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the workout. Starting off with bear climbers, go ahead and put your dumbbells on the floor and put your upper body on them. So holding yourself up with your dumbbells. Then we're gonna go ahead and do a mountain climber, but without lifting up our feet. Just go ahead and slide up and down. This is great for your abs as well as your legs. We've got 3 sets of 30 seconds, you guys. Let's get it.
Waiting the sunrise, drinking my water wine.
Go ahead and give yourself a 15-second rest.
Knocked on my door. You've been on my mind for a minute, but now no more. You've been on my mind for a minute.
Moving into set 2, make sure that you're keeping your back straight, and as you slide your legs up and down, bring them in as far as you can go. Bring those knees up all the way to the front, like as far as they can go.
Waking up now, wondering what I wish you by my side. Waking up now, wondering where I've been, me by your side. Waking up now, wondering what I wish you by my side.
Go ahead and give yourself a 15-second rest.
Winter rain falls, I'm more due, but I'm not crying like the garden leaves. You've been on my mind for a minute, but now
All right, guys, last set, last 30 seconds. Let's get it.
for a minute, but now no more. But now no more.
Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a 30-second rest. Getting started with banded abductions, put your resistance band up above your knees. Put your arms behind you so you can lean back on them and be comfortable. Then with your legs hovering in the air, you're gonna go ahead and expand them. This is working out the side glutes. And then when you come in, push your legs down one by one. This is great for the hamstring, okay? We've got 3 sets of 10. Let's get it, you guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 15-second rest. Moving into set 2, go ahead and make sure that you're keeping your core nice and tight and your back is straight. Go ahead and give yourself a 15-second rest. All right, guys, last set right here. We have 10 more. Great job. Give yourself a 30-second rest. Moving into banded dumbbell squats. For this exercise, you're going to bring the dumbbells up onto your shoulders. We are going to squat down and hover. And as you come down, you're going to open up your legs. This is great for the side booty, you guys. Make sure that your heels do not touch the ground. You see that I'm balancing on my toes. So take it slow. When you come up, don't go all the way up. Just come up a little bit. You see my knees are still pretty bent. We've got 3 sets of this. Take it slow. You're gonna need the balance. Go ahead and give yourself a 15-second rest. Moving into set 2, let's make sure that your back is straight. Concentrate on your back staying straight, and when you come down, open up your legs open up your legs as far as you can. Really get those glutes engaged, you guys. Go ahead and give yourself a 15-second rest. Moving into set 3, this is our last set, 12 reps, let's get it. Great job. Give yourself a 30-second rest. Getting into knee tuck V-ups, lean back on your hands, and as you're leaning back, you're going to kick your legs out and bring them up in the air into a V, And then when they come down, you're gonna bring them in towards your chest. This is great for your lower abs, upper abs, and obliques, you guys. We're doing total abs right now, as well as core, because keeping your legs hovering like that is really tightening your core. Make sure that you're flexing your core and you're moving slow if you have to. Take this on at your own pace. It is a toughie. Great job. Give yourself a 30-second rest. Moving into set 2. Great job. Give yourself a 30-second rest. All right, guys, last set, last 12 reps. Great job. Give yourself a 30-second rest. Moving into our last exercise, standing knee to elbows, you're gonna go ahead and extend your body out. You're gonna bring your arm all the way out and kick your leg all the way back, and then bring them together. When you bring them together, try not to curl your lower body up. It can be hard to, because you kind of want to curl up your lower body, if you know what I mean, and it looks like you're tucking yourself. Don't tuck yourself, just kick the knee to the elbow. We've got 3 sets of this on both sides. No breaks here, you guys. Go ahead and switch sides. Great job. Give yourself a 30-second rest. Moving into set 2, if you're having a little bit of lower back pain, go slow. It can get tight if you don't work back often, and your back can be very sensitive. So if you're having lower back pain, just go a little bit slower.
hesitation. You can play my game. You will see me tonight, dancing into the club.
No breaks here. Go ahead and switch sides.
You know, you know, you love me, you love me. My body never will be in your hands. Oh, you know, you know, you love me, you love me. My body never will be in your hands. Oh, you know, you know, you love me, you love me. My body never will be in your hands.
Go ahead and give yourself a 30-second rest. All right, guys, last set, last 12 reps. Let's get it. No breaks here, you guys. Go ahead and switch.
Gotta let go, you say you love me. I need a break, boy. I'm bored to hear your fake voice. I'm gonna follow my way. I know your intentions, yeah. Some attention, don't want hesitation. You can play my game.
And that's the workout. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give these exercises a shot and let me know what you think in the comments. As always, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you later. Bye.